Hello guys, my name is Waleed Tahir and in this video I am going to give you a demo of the Chatscribe. So what is Chatscribe? Chatscribe is a communication platform that help you communicate with people in whatever language you want. Let's say you want to speak English, or let's say the other person don't know how to understand English, he only know French. So you can confidently speak your own language, your own mother tongue, and the other person will understand in the language they want to understand. And so if I just show you the demo of the Chatscribe, it's pretty much simple. This is the landing page. If you want to log in, it's simple. You will give your email or you can sign up with Google. When you will send the magic link, it will send the magic link to your email. You will receive the link here, and after receiving the link you have to click on confirm your mail. After you will click on confirm your mail, it will redirect you back to your home page. So when it will redirect you back to your home page, it will ask you for the language preferences. So if I just see that, we have to just wait for a second here. So ask me. Okay, so here I have just created a new account. So it isn't okay. So here you can see that he asked me for the language preferences, and I can select whatever language I want. And if I can just select English or maybe whatever language, and here is the advanced mode. So what is an advanced mode? Advanced mode means that you want to select individual language for individual tasks. For speaking, for reading, for listening, you want to select different language, so you can do that. You have to just select your gender and then you just have to do save preferences. After that, the story after that is simple. You will be like signed up as every normal user. So if I just go to the dashboard and show you how the dashboard will look like, this is a beautiful dashboard in which basically you will get your data, in which language you are doing what, and this is your edit profile and go to chat. On the Chatscribe page there is a very beautiful thing, that is AI assistant. So let me tell you what this AI assistant do. So if I just send in my message, hello, what is color of banana? Okay, so basically this is an AI assistant. So you will say me, Waleed, what's new? Like the normal AI assistant? So let me tell you, no, not a normal AI assistant. It have a lot of capabilities in it. So if I just now, I have chatted with him, and now if I want that, okay, let's go and call with this AI assistant, real time call, and the call will have all the context that we have chatted with the AI assistant. So if we start a call here.
Hello, arbitrary Wally 9C. How can I assist you
Okay, my
today?
name is Waleed. So, can you please tell me what the question I asked you just last time?
Hi, Waleed. You asked me about the color of
Okay,
a
great.
banana.
So basically you can ask about the conversation you have done here, and the most important feature is going to be that you can ask the AI chatbot that, hey, send the message to my dad at 7:30 p.m. that I will reach the home late, something like that. This is what we are developing. This is in the beta version, but this is what is in production. But in the beta version you can also send the messages to your mom, to your dad, to your sister, and with the scheduled time, without sending them the message, you can just ask your AI assistant to do this, do this, do this. AI assistant will create the task and do all the stuff. So that's all about the AI assistant. So if I now go back to the chats and show you the chatting page here, so here I have basically a lot of users. So for convenience, I have already signed up with 2 users. So if I just show you these users, so this is one user and the other. So if I just come here and send him a message, hello. So basically this user is in French. So you can see this, I sent a message in hello, that is in English, and the message is converted into French. I can send a message back from here into bonjour, that will be converted into English here, and you can give a reaction. You can delete, you can mute, you can flag, you can give a feedback that, hey, the translation wasn't correct. So you can also provide us the feedback related that, and we will be looking into that as well, and we will appreciate that thing. So now let's test an audio message. Okay, so this is an English browser. So if I test an audio message, hello, my name is Waleed, I live in Pakistan and I'm currently doing bachelor's in computer science. So what this voice message will do, this will go to the other side instantly, and it will take like 3 to 4 seconds to get translated into French, as you can see here. So you can see that message is getting translated, and I'm also seeing the transcription here. You can see that, and after that I will play.
Alors, si je teste un message audio, bonjour. Je m'appelle Walid. J'habite au
I don't
Pakistan.
understand the French pretty well, so you can listen it and try it yourself. And you can see that audio message is working. So now the other feature I wanted to show is basically let's create a group. So if I create a group chat, that's also pretty much simple. I will create a group, I will add some users. Let's add the same user that we are chatting with, and just add some random temporary users to see how the things are working. Demo final. Okay, hope so. This is the final in the recording. By the way, it's my fourth try. Anyways, so if I just start a group chat. Okay, so you can see that the demo final. So basically this is a group chat in which I can just see the members because I am not an admin. So if I just come here to the demo final, this guy is an admin, he can remove the users, he can change the name, he can add the members, he can do pretty much everything you can do in the group. So after that, so these are the basic features in the group, and the same conversation you can continue in the group as well, and it will be taken care of. So after that, after the group chat, what's new now? The exciting thing that we all are waiting for is audio call translation. So let's go and listen that. So you can see that I have been redirected, and I have been redirected to this as well. So I will turn on my mic from the one browser at a one time because I'm a single person and it will get a lot of confusion because we are listening double voices. So we have to take care of that. So be with me. Hello, my name is Waleed.
Hello. Walid.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Billy.
I live in
I
Pakistan.
live in Pakistan.
J'habite au Pakistan.
Okay. I am showing this
I am
demo to
showing
my
this demo
audience
to
that
my
how to
audience
use
that how to
Chatscribe.
use Chatscribe.
Je montre cette démo à mon audience pour leur montrer comment utiliser Chatscribe.
Okay, so you saw that that whatever I was speaking, it was taking a bit 1 second. That is what we will be finishing in the future. And after that, if I just go and turn on the mic on the other side, Bonjour, Jemapal
Bonjour.
Walid,
Al
Jehabata
Walid.
Pakistan.
Shahabata, Pakistan.
By the way, I don't know the French. I learned this from the Chatscribe while testing the application.
Al
So
Walid, Jihad al Pakistan translated from Arabic Urdu. The Guardian, Jihad of Pakistan.
Bonjour, Jemapal
Bonjour.
Walid.
Jemapal Walid.
Hello, my
Okay,
name is
actually
Walid.
my
Okay,
French is
actually my
a
French
little
is
weak,
a
so that's
little.
why it like didn't recognize my French first time.
Okay, actually, my French is a bit.
Okay, so you can see that it recognized my French here, it recognized my French here, so that is well. And you can go and test it yourself in the calls. And one more feature that I wanted to show you, that I can really control the basically audio thing here, that how much percentage of the audio you want to listen from the other user. And here is the translation language feature. So what's this? So basically, let's say there are three users in the room. I am speaking English, there are two other users, one is speaking French and other is speaking Spanish. So what will happen that now let's say I say that I want to listen that French user in the Spanish because that language is available in the room. Okay, I want to listen that French user into Spanish just because that Spanish language is available in the room. Now let's say 100 people are in the call. There are many languages available, so you can listen people in different languages. So this is just an accessibility feature, that when there will be many people, we will show all the languages here, and you can just select all the, like any of the language you want to select here, and you can listen that user into specifically that language. So after that, if I just show close the caption and leave the call, after leaving the call, it will redirect me back to the home page, and it is showing me some notifications here. So as you can see, it is a pretty much very cool thing, and you can mark it as read, and you can come back here. You can see like what was exactly, where was the notification. And now the very last feature, just bear with me 1 more minute. The very last feature is basically in person. So what is in person? In person is currently in beta mode. What is this? So basically, let's say you are sitting in a room, there are many people speaking different languages. So what you can do, you can just turn on our start recording button. After doing that, if the user is speaking English, that will go into the English tab, and if the user will speak French, that will go into the French tab, basically the classification of the language. And let me show you a demo. Hello, my name is Walid. Bonjour, je m'appelle Walid, je habite à Pakistan. Models usually don't detect my French, because that is, sometimes they detect it wrong, because I don't speak French really well. I don't know the French exactly. So basically, if I will just like play this button, the English button. So basically the use case is, let's say you go to you go to France and you have earbuds. Okay, so now you want to talk to some person who don't know English. Okay, so what you can do, you can turn on this feature, in person translation. You can take your one earbud, give the earbud to the other person, and what will happen, that after you will give that earbud to the other person, you will speak English, he will speak French. But but when he will speak French, that will automatically get translated into English, and only in your earpiece you will be listening that translated English, not him. And when you will be speaking English, that will be translated into French, and only in his airport he will be listening that language. And this way you guys can communicate without buying a hardware, just using a web application. That's pretty much like, sounds like a dream. Okay, so yeah, so that's pretty much all the features in the Chatscribe yet, and we are not gonna stop here. We are going to develop a lot of new features as well in the application. But this is just for starting. This is just a starting, and hope so you like the demo. And thank you so much for watching the demo till the end, if you watch the demo till the end. And if you don't, that is also fine. But anyway, thank you so much for watching the demo. I will see you some other time with some exciting updates. So I think so, bye bye.